I understand English, but I can't speak English. So, let's do some action plan. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss. I understand English, but I can't speak English. This is a common challenge many language learners face. So, I've put together an action plan to help you overcome it. If you are looking to improve your spoken English, this video is for you. So let's subscribe my channel now. First off, let's figure out what's happening. You might be great at understanding English when others speak, but when it's your turn, it feels like the words won't come out. That's a common challenge, and I'm here to help you. Start by thinking about why speaking English feels tricky for you. Maybe you are worried about saying the wrong thing, or you just don't know where to start. It's okay to have these feelings. Now, set some simple goals for yourself. Think of it like taking small steps. For example, say to yourself, I will try speaking one English sentence today. These small goals will guide you on your journey. Next, let's work on building a strong foundation for speaking English. Learning new words is like collecting puzzle pieces. Each word you learn is like adding a piece to your language puzzle. Try to learn 1 or 2 new words every day. It's not too hard and it can be fun. Grammar and punctuation may sound fancy, but they're like the rules of the English game and how to say the words correctly. Start with the basics and practice them bit by bit. Okay, now, let's make learning fun by watching and listening. Imagine watching your favorite English shows or movies. It's like having a good time and learning at the same time. Pay attention to how they talk and try to copy them. It's just like playing pretend, like you're acting. You can also listen to stories in English. It's like being in an adventure. Audiobooks and podcasts are great for this. Listen, pause, and repeat what you hear. Easy, right? Now, let's practice speaking, which is like riding a bike. The more you practice, the better you get. Find someone to talk to in English, maybe a friend who knows the language or someone online. Talking regularly with them is like having a chat with a buddy, and it's a great way to improve your English. Confidence is like a superpower for speaking English. Here's how to get it. A little bit of English every day. Talk about what you did or what you like. It's just like having a friendly chat where you speak in front of others. It's like being a superhero on stage. The more you do it, the more confident you become. And to see how far you have come, it's important to keep track. Recording yourself while speaking in English is like listening to your favorite song, but with your voice. You can hear where you're doing well and where you can improve. And keeping a journal is like having a diary of your language adventure. Write down new words you learn and how you feel about your progress. It's a nice way to see how you're growing. There you have it. Some simple tips to help you get better at speaking English. Remember, practice makes progress. And making mistakes is okay. Every time you try, you're getting better. And thanks for being here with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your experience and questions in the comment below and stay tuned for more fun and helpful videos. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking. See you next time. Bye.